What's up everyone, Prince Hoffman from Quick Homes Rwanda. Now, you are in the market for a rental, you're looking for something in Kigali at a kind of modest, affordable range for rent. We are in Kimirongo today, about to show you these newly constructed apartments. These apartments are actually 1-bedroom units and 2-bedroom units, and they are renting between $600 and $800, not furnished. They are new, they have nice stuff, and I'm excited to show you everything about it. It's just right now with Quick Homes Rwanda. Alright, these are the apartments I'm talking about. I mean, look at these things. I actually made the mistake. These apartments, the 1-bedrooms are going for $400 every month, and the 2-bedrooms are going for $600. Now, this is a nice place to be. It's a really nice place to be. These are 10 units that are just finished construction, and they are available for rent. So if you are in the market for something long-term, something of quality, this is the place to be. You have your general shared parking space over here. This wing has only 1 bedroom, and that wing has the 2 bedrooms unit. I'm going to show you what they look like inside just shortly, but before we get in, let me just show you a little bit of the details that you have. From the get-go, these apartments have nice colors. The red touches, a little bit of yellow, the dark stones that are on the columns, they look nice. You have these built-in flower pots that are close to every single column. They look presentable and makes these apartments pop. It's not just that, because as you saw in the intro, I was at the rooftop, because you have a shared rooftop. So if you're having your guests over, you have a nice place to chill that has an amazing view. Now, what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to jump upstairs and show you what does the 1-bedroom apartment come with, and also what does the 2-bedrooms apartment come with. Please, come with me. Before we get up though, I wanted to mention a couple of things. As this is more like a shared compound, this apartment comes with security features like fire extinguishers. You have a fire detection system around the compound, and as well you have an alarm that can go up if there is any incident that requires everybody to evacuate. You also have CCTV, so your stuff are pretty much safe. Now let's get up. Now, coming up to this landing, as I said, we have on this wing the 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms apartments, and on this other wing on the left we have the 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. Come on in. We have the first thing that you see in this 1 bedroom apartment is your sitting area. It's a pretty decent sized sitting area, you know, with nice finishes. You have some wall sconces to add texture, but if you turn the camera around, you have actually an amazing view just from your sitting area. So this is a nice plus. It's a very nice addition. And another feature I wanted to add is, if we still outside here, we have 2 main entrances to the apartments. So what do I mean by that? We have one just right here behind, and we have another one on this side. So what does that mean? It means somebody who stays there doesn't have to pass in front of your apartment, and somebody who stays here doesn't have to pass in front of your apartment. The same applies to the rest. That means you have privacy. You can use this space as much as you want, and that's fantastic. Now let's get back inside. Entering, you have this amazing sitting area, and continuing this way, that's where we have our kitchen. This is a nice kitchenette, very good space, tons of storage space for an apartment this size. You have your stove space, fridge space, double vanity, granite countertops, and I love the cabinets they went with. They are really, really nice, and the backsplash as well, just to complement this space. For a kitchenette, this is a really good size. And entering into this door, that's where we have the bedroom. And coming here, you get to see that this is a good size of a bedroom. I mean, look at this. It's not like you don't have a closet. You have your closet this way. So, you know, the space that is left here is only for your bed, which is nice. You have some TV plugs on this side if you want to hang a TV in your bedroom. And back here, you have a little balcony, maybe for extra storage or for your seat if you like to chill by your bedroom. I think this is a nice setup, and of course this bedroom is self-contained, so when you come here, that's where you get your bathroom. Sorry about that. So this is the bathroom, and I think it's a good size of a bathroom as well. You have some nice devices for your shower, your toilet on this side, and you have this fabricated vanity space with a nice sink and a mirror, and as well you have your water heater up above. I think this complements and completes this unit in a good way. Now you can see this unit is only on the market for $400, so reach us in the contact reach us on the contacts in the description down below if you want to book this up, because I mean they won't last long. Now coming this way, that's where we have the 2 bedrooms apartment, and it's spacious. It's very big than that one, because look at this whole space. This is space for you to use as your dining area, your seating area. You have your TV plugs on this side, so that's where I'm assuming your sitting area would be facing. Wall sconces above, gypsum ceilings, nice tiles, and as we come here, we have this semi-island which has a little bit of a wine cellar on that side. Nice cabinets for your kitchen. It's open as well. You have your double vanity on this side, your stove space, your fridge space, granite countertops, very nice cabinets, and on this side you have your storage, so a little pantry doesn't hurt. And as well you have a little balcony for your kitchen, and also you have a laundry room in here. So everything is planned for as far as, you know, general spaces are concerned. Now coming this way, that's where we have the first bedroom and the second bedroom, and the first bedroom is just right here. I mean, a very good size of a bedroom if you ask me. Many windows just so that you have enough natural light, and this way we have a sliding door. Let me open it up. Yeah, you have a sliding door for your balcony space. The views from your units are phenomenal. I mean, you can expand your vision. At least you have sort of a 180 degrees, which is fantastic. And if you just come here, you can actually peep at the runway of Kanombe International Airport, which is just that side. And continuing, this bedroom as well has access to a bathroom. And this bathroom is this way. The bathroom is of a good size as well. Tiles go all the way to the top. The setup is pretty much similar to what we just saw. So your shower space, you have your toilet, and you have this sink, fabricated countertops and everything, which is on this side, and you have your water heater up above. It's phenomenal that every single bathroom gets a water heater. This is the second bedroom. It's self-contained. So if we pass this way, we have the bedroom, also very good size. You know, you can fit a king size bed here, no problem. You have your backside balcony, built-in closet, which is nice. And coming this way, that's where we have again the I would call this the master bathroom, but it's typically the same as what we just saw, because you have your fabricated vanity on this side, nice mirror, nice light to get you lit up. You have your toilet on this side, and also your walk-in shower. Again, every single bathroom comes with the water heater, and you can get this for $700 every month. As I said, we have a rooftop, so let me go upstairs and show you what we have in our views from the rooftop. And coming up, this is where we have the rooftop. I mean, This is just some nice space for you to hang out with your friends. The views are terrific from up here because you have the whole of Kanombe just in front of you. Literally that's the runway, so you could have fun here watching planes land and take off. And on this side we have our vision expanding all the way to Rusororo. You have the special economic zone of Kigali, and then you have ALU University and Carnegie Mellon University in your vision on the far left side. I think this particular space complements the whole apartments, but of course I can't go without showing you some of the other details that I almost forgot to mention. We have tanks of water for every single unit that is in here, so backup water is always necessary, so you don't have to worry if the water goes out. You have additional supply with the pump, so the pressure is nice and actually arriving everywhere nicely. And that's it with our episode today, as we saw these apartments in Kimirongo renting for $400 for the 1-bedroom unit and $700 for the 2 bedrooms unit. They are new and they are ready for you. So if you are in Kigali and looking for something long-term, this is the place to be. Contact us from the contacts in the description down below. As always, we are very pleased and happy to show you the different properties in Kigali. If you enjoy it and if you're not yet subscribed, subscribe, drop us a like and a little comment for appreciation. Thank you.